This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something that came out of an Umai crate. Go to japancrate.com, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider and get yourself one. An Umai crate. They're fun and they're fantastic. What do I got? Takamori. Tarako spaghetti. So it's Japanese spaghetti. You might be like, Japanese spaghetti? What do you mean? That's from Italy. It's like, well, sachet. Noodle. So basically, you just put it in the pan with 15 tablespoon of oil. Kind of mush it around a bit until all the noodles loosen up. Add 15 mils of water in the sachet, get it loose, and you're good to go. Yeah. Sounds good to me. So let's get that going. And we'll get right to our quote of the day from Momofuku Ando, the inventor of the instant noodle. Ooh. Yeah. Where's my spoon? It's pretty cringe-worthy with me because I'm a big fan of just saying like, oh, screw it. I just won't scratch the bottom with the fork. But I know that's like often impossible. Here we go. Hey, loosen up. Loosen up. I'll give it a minute. So, let's see. Momofuku Ando speaks. Quotes from the guy. Number 272. Hygiene may be one measure of civilization, true, but making everything sterile will lead humans to lose their natural immunity. That is true. There were people who, I can't remember what they called it, but it wasn't, oh, it was a little while ago, but people that were like using all this freaking antimicrobial, anti-this, anti-that, and then they like got into a situation where they didn't have these like Lysol on everything. They just got like violently ill. Like, well, it's the whole deal. Immunity is like a muscle. I used to know somebody who said that an awful lot. But God, I was watching I get notifications when the Washington State Health Department's gonna give a some kind of talk on like hospitalizations or this or that, and one came up today. I was like, okay, cool, I'll check it out. But it's the super chat below it that's just like mind-boggling. This is a piss-poor pandemic. Like 560,000 people here. That's just not enough for you. Were you shooting for a cool million or something? Another one was like 99.8%. Keep it. I'm talking about the amount of people that recover from it versus getting the vaccine. There's like so many bots in these things. We are in the misinformation age. It's a beautiful thing. It's a real coming-of-age story for humanity. Because now we've found new ways to communicate with each other faster and more effectively than ever before. So, people are making money off of that and being absolute jerks. So that's kind of... It's natural. Just like everything is natural for humans to do. Come on, loosen up. Get loose. Man, see, new music. I thought this one was interesting. I found a few of these tracks because it lists them in a long list as lists are, usually lists. And it was funny, I thought, because it has like a column for beats per minute, for, you know, drum beats. There's no drums, so they just list this as 0. It's like, well, it does have meter. Come on. Kind of an off time, odd tempo. Oops, a noodle fell out. I'll let you watch. I float your boat. So we're just about there. It's kind of funny. What you can also do with these noodle pouches, should they occur, is all you need to do is like poke a little thumbtack hole or two in them and microwave them for like 30 seconds. That's probably even overkill. And then they're done. Okay, so what we do now is called for 15 milliliters of water. Yeah. That'll do her. There's our spaghetti seasoning. See how that goes. Smell like fish. Fish egg. Yes, yes. I like Tarako. There's this kind of egg. There's flying fish eggs. You see the ones on California roll. That's flying fish egg. If you're gonna ask me about sushi, though, I'm gonna say skip the California roll. I'm gonna say go right for the unagi. Unagi matsuka! Absolutely, I love unagi. Freshwater eel sushi is, or actually that's a sashimi or a nigiri. I can't remember, but whatever it is, I love it. Barbecue water eel, freshwater, whatever. Water eel is my friend. Alright, let's give this a try. That's good. Let's see here. It's not like really strong. It's got kind of a delicate. It just flies right out of that pan, ladies and gentlemen. What a wonderful, wonderful kitchen miracle. Yeah, I like it. Somebody might say, fish egg, what's that about? But you know, there's really nothing to those things. I'm gonna add, I wasn't going to, but I will.
Because that's the mood I'm in. Because I defrosted it and I didn't really need it. Slab of chashu right on top. And some parmesan. Let's have a quick talk about this. This, nothing pisses me off more. This is Parmesan cheese. See this? Parmesan. There's a dish called veal parmesan. That's G-I-A-N. This is Parmesan. This is not Parmesan cheese. No. You could put Parmesan cheese on Parmesan, but this is Parmesan cheese. Okay? I'm gonna put it on chashu. And I'm going to also add some pepper flake. And just, ooh, you know what I can do? Holy crap, it's out there. Come on. Let's do it. Hopefully this works out well. Let's put some mint on it. Let's see. Is this the mint? This is the mint. I think this is the mint. I hope it's the mint. I don't want to grab. Huh?
What weather?
What weather? It's sunny for the moment.
Oh, it's
I think this is the mint.
sunny.
Yeah, this is the mint.
I love sunny.
You do?
Yeah.
Tell all the nice people. Do you love Sunny?
Yeah.
Good. Well, let's go back inside.
You found a leaf?
Yes, I found some mint. Do you want to taste the mint? Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, my beautiful daughter Mimi. Yeah, this is the mint, all right. Mint. Smell. Yeah. I'm going to use this little
Minty?
twink
Mint?
mint.
In your noodles?
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah, right, like, get in there. Take a bite. Oh no, we just use that one little thing. Try it. Okay. Go out there, I'll let you try the noodles in a minute. Ladies and gentlemen, my daughter Miriam. Okay. Let's get this going. What about a new song? All right, you guys ready to crap your pants? Come on. No, go sit on the bathroom. Hit pause, go to the bathroom. Are you sitting? Are you sitting on the toilet? Check this out. Ooh, yeah. Official, actual Boisson Sriracha by Aces. Yeah, that's next. I'm gonna give it a spin in the microwave and gutsy it up. So I'll let you. This is like, I think I'm one of the first people to try this stuff, so I'll let you know. And hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Every day!
Have a good one.